directly client side environment, runtime environment, like JVM, CLR, common language runtime, and JVM is the Java virtual machine, which is the client side running environment, runtime environment for the Java, right? I say the same as Node.js is the JavaScript runtime environment. You have to remember that thing. And Node.js was the platform independent. Okay, so even you are writing the code into the Linux machine or Windows machine or Mac machine, your Node.js is going to work. Same time, Node.js TypeScript is built on the Node.js, so your TypeScript is going to work on the all environment. So that's why Angular is become the cross platform also. So when we say anything will work on the multiple uh, operating system, it is the cross platform. So Angular has become the cross platform also. Okay, na? You understood that? Automatically it's become. And why Microsoft choose the Node.js? Because they wanted कि everyone should opt this very easily. They could have created one small compiler also in .NET and distributed that like the Visual Studio Code. Uh, but they have not done. They have just make on the Node.js, and you can use Visual Studio Code or don't require also. But now, if the second question is how powerful is Node.js? This environment is how powerful is. What things you can do in Node.js? What things you can do in Java? What is the best application you which is developed in Java? You can tell me. Java या .NET में which application is best build you know? Don't know. Calculator might be Excel. ठीक है ना? Excel is built on .NET या फिर Visual C++. But Visual Studio Code which you are using, that is built on the Node.js. Visual Studio Code is built on the Node.js. So it has the full, we can create the desktop application also. इससे बड़ी तो कोई application anyone can't make, right? Visual Studio Code everyone has seen, right? How powerful is that? So Node.js is that powerful. Full Visual Studio Code built on the Node.js. You got it? Okay. So the next question, how to install the Node.js? Have you installed? Have everyone has installed Node.js? You will see that Node.js come up with the 6 things. Okay, so you have to download whatever your operating system is. On the basis of you have to download this one of them, and you are able to work on the Node.js. If everyone own the operating system like Microsoft or other operating system is there? Microsoft. So if you download this Microsoft, you will get the latest means that is the result. Next, it will automatically installed with the that result. So it would never be a challenge for Microsoft. ठीक है ना? So you try in home. So but go to this website and install that. I already have, so I'm not going to download and run. But it is very easy thing. ठीक है ना? Next. You have to do. So what is Node.js is we understood JavaScript runtime environment is Node.js. ठीक है ना? So when we say that this is the JavaScript runtime environment, okay, and now we have to run the Angular also. So there is one more concept. I am going to CMD, okay. I will run CMD and I am going to run this CMD. Let it be. Or I will write CMD here. CMD, okay. And whenever it is installed or not, you can check like this version. So you will see that what are the current version is. I have 10. You can install the latest also. So Node.js is installed on my PC. If you want to check that which version of Node.js or Node.js is installed or not, you can check like that. Okay, now second question is I want to work with Angular, so I have to install the Angular CLI also. So right now one more thing you have to understand, that at least for the Microsoft developers, they have to understand the new line of the world, IT world is going on, the everything is on the CLI. even you are working on the cloud, even you are working on the .NET, even you are working on the Java, everything is happened with the CLI only. So for Angular also we use the CLI to work with. Okay, so we have to install the CLI. And how to install the CLI? The command is npm install install -g, okay, and @angular /CLI is the command. ठीक है ना? And whenever I will click on this, it is going to install the CLI, latest CLI. I already have, so I am not going to use install that. You try install, it will automatically install the latest version of the Angular. But if I want to install anything, it is the command is npm. So the question is, what is npm is? So what is this node package manager? Perfect. 100% right. So what is Node Package Manager is, I will relate for the .NET developer and Java developer. Have you heard about Maven? Yeah. What is Maven is? It's build tool. As well as it's bring the dependencies also. Okay, so you know heard about NuGet package. So NuGet is, what is NuGet? It is also bring the dependency and build tool. ठीक है ना? So it's the same time node is npm is also build tool. It's not only bring the packages, okay, but help you to build the application also. ठीक है ना? So there are two responsibility of the npm. What are the two responsibility? Bringing the packages means the dependency, as well as the building the application, compiling application. Compile करना ही पड़ेगा ना, तो we have to compile that, and the that will all done by the npm only. Npm is the key factor. Like the Maven, you know, Maven build you do, or Gradle, anything here, NuGet package or ms build, you do like the same is the npm is here. So what is this concept is, and why we use the npm? I can use the bring library manually also. So you know why this concept has come into the picture of the Maven or the NuGet package. You guys know that history about that. Why Maven, why has become so famous? Previously, you have 10 year of experience, right? Previously might be you were finding on Google, bringing that jar file and adding into your project, ठीक है ना? Or might be you are finding the DLLs from somewhere and downloading into your, importing in references. So why now you use the NuGet and why you now use the Maven? So if you understand that, you understand that why we use the npm and why it is important. So can you please tell me why we use that? So what is the problem in that? I can put in the share folder and everyone can. Right, and right, 100% right. But I will add some more thought in that. What was the previous challenge was, suppose you have to download the POI. Okay, POI, you know, jar library for reading Excel and all. Suppose I want to download the POI for reading the Excel file. From where I will search on Google, download the POI file. I will see the 10 websites. Okay, I can download from. Who can give the guarantee that that jar does not have the any virus? No one can give the guarantee because no one owns that, right? No, you don't know who own that particular website is, right? Na? So that was the biggest challenge in the history, and this was the historical challenge was that no one give the guarantee of that this jar file has how many issue has this jar file is. No one can tell that. But when Maven has come, they have come up with the concept, okay, put all the jar files into one place. So everyone will get download from the same place. And if there is any issue, log the issue on the Maven repository only. Okay, so everyone will understand that, okay, how many issues are there in this particular jar, and if anyone will upgrade also, so everyone will understand, okay, there is the new version of that jar file also and can download. So that was one thing, was reducing the manual process, but the second thought was reducing the risk of the issues, risk of the my viruses. Okay, and you are able to get it also, okay, how many time is getting downloaded. So you can choose, okay, I want to download this jar file or that jar file, which is more useful as compared. If I want to read Excel only, can I use the POI, or and I can use the any other jar file, whoever. So I get the rating also from the same place, and that's the same concept is happened for the NuGet package, and that's the same concept is for the npm. So there is one repository where we can put our all files, okay, and everyone will download that. So you, whenever you are downloading new file package, you know that what are the current issues are going on. Okay, so that all things, how many persons are downloading, is that a virus, so everyone will, and there should not be virus. That is the responsibility of the Maven, npm or NuGet, Microsoft. ठीक है ना, they own this responsibility कि that could not be virus. So that's the key thing. Now Angular could, Google के पास कमी है क्या स्पेस की? नहीं है ना, Google तो put anywhere, right ना? But Google has not put on their website. Google has put the Angular on the npm only. Why? Because everyone should download from there only.